David can receive one of the following two payment streams: 100 at time 0, 200 at time n years, and 300 at time 2n years, or 600 at time 10 years. At annual effective interest rate I, present value of the two streams are equal. Given nu power n is equal to 0.76, calculate I. So the first stream consists of these three payments: 100 at time 0, 200 at time n, and 300 at time 2n years. So since present values of the two streams are equal, we will calculate present values of both and set them equal to each other. So for the first one, the present value will be this 100. That sits right at time 0, so its present value is 100. The 200 sits at time n years, so it will be pulled back n years. So we know that the present value of a stream of x occurring t years from now is x times 1 plus I to the negative n. Well, okay, so I meant to say n years from now. N years from now at an annual effective interest rate is I will be x times 1 plus I to the negative n. That's how you pull something back n years. And we learned that 1 plus I power negative 1 is nu, so 1 plus I to the negative n would be nu to the n. Therefore, the present value of x that happens n years from now will be x times nu to the n. Therefore, the present value of the first stream will be 100, and that's right at time 0, so its present value is itself. The second stream of 200, the second payment of 200 in the first stream is happening at n years, so its present value would be 200 nu n. And the third one of 300 is happening at 2n years, so its present value would be 300 nu to the 2n. Therefore, the total present value of the first stream will be 100 plus 200 nu n plus 300 nu to the 2n, but we are given that nu to the n is 0.76. So we substitute the value of this one here, nu to the 2n would be 0.76 whole squared. And substituting all this, we get the present value of the first stream to be 425.28. Now the second stream has just one payment of 600 occurring in 10 years, so its present value would be 600 times nu to the 2n, nu to the 10. And we are told that the present values of the two streams are equal, so 600 nu to the 10 is equal to 425.28. First divide by 600, then take the 10th root, and we get nu equals 0.9662. The goal was to calculate I. We know that nu is equal to 1 over 1 plus I. Remember, nu is a discount factor, equal to 1 over 1 plus I. And when we take reciprocal of both sides, we get 1 plus I equals 1 divided by 0.9662, which is 1.035. Then you subtract 1. I comes out to be 0.035, which is 3.5%, and that's choice A.